Hello childrens. Yesterday we have started the quadrilaterals construction and types, and under this we have completed let's recall insights construction. There were four constructions were there. Here when the three sides are given, then how to construct a triangle, then two angles and one side is given, then how to construct a triangle, then afterwards when two sides and one angle inscribed in between them is given, angle between them is given, then how to construct in this third construction inside we seen, and fourth inside we seen how to construct a right angle triangle. Okay, and these constructions are here. This is the first construction, then second construction we seen, then afterwards we saw the next construction, that is how to construct a triangle when two sides and one angle is given, and here it is the right angles triangles construction. Now today we are going to see the construction, the main part of the lesson, that is the construction of a quadrilaterals. Okay, and to construct a quadrilateral, if length of four sides and a diagonal given, how to do this, that we will see now. That first construction, to construct a quadrilateral if lengths of four side and the diagonal is given, and the question is that construct triangle quadrilateral PQRS such that length of PQ is equal to 5.6, length of QR is equal to 5 cm, length of PS is equal to 4.3 cm, length of RS is equal to 7, and length of QS is equal to 6.2. So let us start to see how to construct a triangle when four sides and diagonal is given to us. So the question is, the first construction is to construct a quadrilateral if the lengths of four sides and diagonal is given. That is the heading of construction. And the question is that, means the example is that we have to construct quadrilateral. How to read this? Quadrilateral PQRS such that length of PQ is equal to 5.6 cm, length of QR equals to 5 cm, length of PS is equal to 4.3 cm, and length of RS is equal to 7 cm, length of QS is equals to 6.2 cm. Okay, so from this example, how to understand which is the diagonal from this? So the diagonal is the, if you see here, length of PQ means these are adjacent to each other. Length of QR, here length of QR 5 cm given, so QR is also adjacent to each other. These 2 points are adjacent to each other. PS are also adjacent because yes after P will come. Then length of RS means these are also adjacent are there. And length of QS, if you see here, these 2 points are alternate. R is there in between Q and S, means QS is a diagonal. Now from this information, let us draw the rough figure. Okay, so rough figure how to draw? First of all, draw the length 5.6 centimeters PQ we have to draw. For rough figure, it's not necessary to take the exact measure, so it is 5.6. Then QR is equal to 5 centimeter we have to take, so QR is equal to 5 centimeter, it is here. Okay, so here it is Q here it is P 5.6 centimeter, and this QR is equal to 5 centimeter that I have taken here. Okay. So here it is R, and then length of PS is equal to 4.3. So PS will come here somewhere. So 4.3 rough figure it is there. So, and we can draw it by our, so here it is 7 centimeter, which is SR, and this is the QS diagonal is there, and its measure is 6.2. So this is the rough figure. Okay. Now according to rough figure, we will draw the main figure. So let's draw the main figure. So first of all, we have to draw the rough figure is here in the textbook also, that I will take the reference because I have taken the new page. Okay, so according to this rough figure, I will draw the PQ whose measure is 5.6 centimeter. So here I will take 5.6 centimeter. 5.6 centimeter. If you see here, this measure is 5.6 centimeter. And what is its name? PQ. PQ's measure is 5.6 centimeter. Then according to this figure, QR's measure is 5 centimeter. That we will take in our compass and draw arc, and PS measure is 4.3. That also I will draw. Now take a compass and take a distance of 5 centimeter in your compass. Okay. So this is inside it. We have to draw the triangle at first. So we have to. So here it is 5 centimeter. Okay, so I will draw the arc whose measure is 5 centimeter. And now I will draw the PS 4.3. 4.3 I will take in my compass. So this is my 4.3 centimeter. Now I will draw the arc here. Okay. Now I will take the distance of diagonal. What is the measure of diagonal? Diagonal is of 6.2 centimeter. QS diagonal 6.2. So I will take 6.2 distance in my compass. See here how I am doing this construction. So first of all, you take the 6.2 distance in your compass. Put the point on Q and draw the arc which intersect the first arc here. Okay. So this arc if you will draw afterwards, then also no problem. Which are this arc if you draw afterwards, then also no problem. Now we got the triangle. Here if you see here, you will notice that here it is the SPQ triangle we had drawn here. Triangle SPQ. Okay. Now take a distance of 7 centimeter in your compass because SR distance is 7 centimeter. So take 7 centimeter distance in compass. So this is the 7 centimeter, and from point P, draw the arc which intersect the arc which we drawn from the Q. Okay, it was 5 centimeter, so it is not intersecting. Don't worry about it. Take a pencil and change the distance 5 centimeter and draw the arc. Extend the arc, and here it is your pointer, which that is R. Okay, so here I will join the QR. And here I will join the QS. And this is my quadrilateral. I will write each measure 4.3 centimeter. This was 5 centimeter. And this was 7 centimeter. And the diagonal that is QS was 6.2 centimeter. So this is my quadrilateral PQRS. How I had drawn it here. If the 4 sides, measure of 4 sides and diagonal is given to us, then how to draw, we seen it. Okay, so according to it, first of all draw the triangle PQS, and from this triangle PQS, by taking S and Q as a vertex, draw the arcs, and we will get it here R, and just join it. Okay, then now in our textbook, the second construction and the heading of construction is to construct a quadrilateral if three sides in this construction inside they gave us three sides, four sides and one diagonal. And here in this construction inside, the question is that to construct a quadrilateral if three sides and two diagonals are given. When the three sides and two diagonals are given. According to this information, the question is that construct quadrilateral WXYZ. We have to construct WXYZ such that length of YZ is equal to 4 cm, length of ZX is equal to 6 cm, length of WX is equal to 4.3 cm, length of ZW is equal to 5 cm, and length of YW is equal to 6.3 cm. Okay, so first of all we will start draw the rough figure. Okay, so here inside this we have to draw the any one side. So I will take base as a WZ. Okay, WZ, and I will draw here rough figure. So WZ, here it is rough figure 5 cm. WZ 5 cm. Then YZ is equals to 4 cm. I will take ZW, here we have to try Z and W. Okay, so taking Z as a ZX is equals to, ZX is the, if you see here Z and X are alternate, so ZX is the diagonal. So we have to take ZY 4 cm here. ZY is equal to 4 cm. Here it is Y, it was 4 cm. Then here YWX 4.3 cm. So here is 4.3, and this is the side, and diagonals measure is given. This diagonals measure is 6.3. If you see here WY is equal to 6.5, and XZ is equals to 6. XZ is equal to 1 minute. ZX is equals to 6 cm. So this is 6 cm, and Y W is equal to, here 5 is there. Okay, so here the YW is equal to 6.5. So first of all, according to figure, we will take 5 cm distance here. Yes, so this is my 5 cm. What is its name? ZW. Okay, now take a distance of 4 cm in your compass. Okay, so I will take 4 cm in my compass. So draw the arc. First we have to draw the triangle only. Now take WY distance in your compass. Which? WY. What is the measure of WY? WY is equals to WY is equals to, here it is 6.5 cm. So I will take 6.5 cm distance in my compass. Okay, and I will draw the arc which intersect the first arc. It is not intersecting, so I will change the distance and draw the arc which intersect the first one. Now draw this triangle. And now I got the point Y at this place. Now taking Z as a, we have to draw the diagonal by using the measure of diagonal XW. XW is equal to 6 cm. So take a 6 cm distance in your compass. So this is 6 cm. Okay, and taking Z as a center vertex, draw the arc. Okay, and now take XW, that is 4.35 cm in your compass. WX is equal to also 4.5. Here 4.5 is there. So here I will take 4.5 cm distance in my compass and draw the arc which intersect the first arc. Okay, and now here you join this vertex and draw this another triangle. Now here we get WZ X triangle and WZ Y triangle. And if you join the vertex of these two triangles, that is X and W, you will get it here. The quadrilateral WZYX or XYZW, you will get it. Write all the time measure, and as I told you before only, you have to use only the pencil for the construction, for giving name also and for giving the measures also for doing the construction. And these construction marks are very important whenever you are doing the construction. So today we saw the two constructions. First construction is the how to construct a triangle. 1 minute. To construct a triangle, not quadrilateral, if lengths of 4 sides and diagonal is given, this is rough figure and this is the fair figure, we drawn it. Okay, and then we seen the another second construction to construct a quadrilateral if 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. The steps follow which I told you in the video, and same steps you do. Okay, and complete these two construction, and the remaining construction we will see in our next lecture. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.